Hi. In this video, we will guide you through the process of adding corporate matters in Lexzur. When a client's request comes in, the initial step is to add it to the database. This starts with a simple click on the Quick Create button located on the navigation menu, followed by selecting Corporate Matter. You will be asked to fill out some mandatory fields in the General Info tab, which are Name, add a designated name for the matter to be able to search for it later on. Practice Area, a customizable list for defining the related area of practice for this matter. For example, legal consultancy, acquisition, administrative, etc. Arrival date is the date the matter reaches your office. Those 3 fields are sufficient for creating matters. However, you can add more information for reporting purposes. Furthermore, you have the option to provide a detailed description of the matter and attribute it to the respective client. Easily search for existing clients or add new clients on the fly. Also, specify the internal reference number, matter priority, and privacy, and attach any related files if needed. Within the More Details tab, you can provide additional information regarding your corporate matter. This includes important dates such as that filed on a date and the due date, which denote any impending deadlines. You can also add estimated effort to gauge the amount of work required for a matter. In the People section, you can specify the contact who requested the matter, assign a user to handle the matter, and select the assigned team responsible for the task. The More Details section allows you to link it to a specific matter container if applicable. You can assign a monetary value to the matter and fill out any custom field as needed. Additionally, you can predefine a specific matter rate and billing preferences if you prefer to bill your clients based on an hourly rate or fixed fee. Now that you have added the corporate matter, you can go further with additional steps such as adding related tasks, reminders, or attachments. You can now track and manage all your corporate matters from one grid. For more information about Lexzur, kindly reach out to us at help@lexzur.com. Thank you.